Why do we yawn? Did that just make you want to yawn? Or at least, I hope not. We've all been told that we yawn because our bodies need more oxygen. It sounds logical, right? Big breath in, more oxygen to the blood. But here's the kicker, scientists have actually debunked that. Studies show that yawning doesn't actually change the oxygen levels in your blood at all. So, if it's not oxygen, what is it? Think of your brain like a high-powered laptop. When you use it a lot, or when it's been running for a long time, it starts to heat up. Your brain works best at a very specific temperature. When you're tired, stressed, or bored, your brain temperature actually rises. Scientists believe yawning is your body's natural air conditioning system. When you yawn, two things happen. Your jaw stretches wide, which increases blood flow to your skull. You take in a big gulp of cool air. This air cools down the blood vessels in your mouth and nose, which then carry that chilled blood straight to your brain.